Today I will be briefly walking you through all of the steps that it takes to tuft a floor rug, focusing mainly on backing it. I will be using all Dabline products as they are my absolute favorite. Using a projector, trace your rug design and make sure that the image is mirrored. Since we work from the back of the rug, everything you tuft will be flipped in the front. I love to tuft using a variety of yarns, crazy colors, different thicknesses, even recycled fabric scraps. Once the rug is done, put on some gloves and it's time to glue the back. I use a pretty strong carpet adhesive, the Robert 6700. There are multiple ways to apply this rug glue, but my favorite is to just simply use some gloves, reach in there and smear it all along the back. Make sure to apply a decent layer right up until the edges. This will create a strong and durable floor rug. Allow it to dry 1 to 2 days and make sure your area is well ventilated, or preferably just do it outside. For larger pieces, I like to shave the rug directly on the tufting board. I find that I have more control and it also makes cleaning up a lot easier. If you're getting into the craft of tufting, be prepared to find yarn all over your house, so I highly recommend having a reliable vacuum. Use a pair of sharp scissors to finalize all of the details. I always try my best to pack in as much color and texture as possible, especially in this custom nursery rug. Next, I'm going to cut out this giant 5-foot circle, set it aside, and it's time to back. Grab a hot glue gun and fold down all of the tufting fabric, making sure to seal all of the sides of the rug. Using cut pile for the edges of your rug will create a nice waterfall effect. Next, spray the entire back with an adhesive glue. I like to use Gorilla. Do this outside or in a well-ventilated area because it is kind of toxic. Let it sit for 1 minute so it gets tacky. Then grab your handy-dandy Dabline rug backing fabric and let's get to business. Press the fabric directly onto the back of the rug. I'm also using this cool rug tape by Dabline. This comes in some pretty cool colors and finishes as well. Sustainability is a huge priority for me at Psychedelic Threads, so instead of using one large backing fabric, I'm using 2 leftover pieces that will meet in the middle, and the rug tape is the perfect way to cover up that split. It's also super easy to add on with the hot glue. Once the non-slip backing is secured, I cut down all of the edges and use the hot glue gun to finalize, making sure that everything looks nice and clean and none of the backing is sticking through the sides, creating that beautiful waterfall effect. All done! Now we have a gorgeous and unique piece of art that is durable and reliable. This one's ready to go to Italy. Thank you, Dabline.